This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to use gua sha for carpal tunnel. This can help with hand and wrist pain. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. Good news is this is gentle and isn't about using force. You are going over a joint, so if your joint is compromised already, please get clearance from your doctor before using this tool and technique. You will need a gua sha tool. You might need a little bit of lotion or oil. You're going to angle the tool like this and do a scraping motion like so. Since carpal tunnel can start at the neck, don't be afraid to work your way up like this. If you're not sure, don't be afraid to talk to your doctor, chiropractor, or massage therapist for assessment. Just know a massage therapist cannot diagnose, but we can assess for the purposes of massage and to figure out if we need to refer you to a doctor. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.